You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Monzo to Lemfi. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Monzo to Lemfi. So the first thing to do, which is the step one, is to link your Monzo bank account to Lemfi. So to do this, open the Lemfi app. Then if you have the Lemfi app, if you don't have the Lemfi app yet, just download it and install it to your mobile phone. And just simply install it from your Google Play Store or your Apple Store. Then after that, you have to add money to the Lemfi. So tap on add money on your Lemfi home screen. Then from there, you select the instant transfer. Then option for funding your Lemfi wallet. Then after that, you have to choose yes to verify me automatically. Then you will be redirected to another page, which is called TrueLayer, a secured third-party platform. Find Monzo in the list of supported bank and select it. Then you will be asked to log into your Monzo account through the Monzo app. Then after logging in, give the Lemfi access to your Monzo account for verification. Then after that, once verified, your Monzo bank account will be linked to your Lemfi account. Then from there, you can now fund your Lemfi wallet using the Monzo. So to add money. So to add money, after clicking Monzo, go back to the add money section in the Lemfi app. Then choose the instant bank transfer, which is option again. Then after that, enter the amount you wish to send from your Monzo account into your Lemfi wallet. Then from there, you have to confirm the transfer. So the Lemfi app will direct you to the Monzo app to approve the payment. Then confirm the payment and authorize the transfer using your Monzo security verification, like a PIN or a biometric verification. And after that, your Monzo transfer will be processed and the fund will be appear in the Lemfi wallet almost instantly. Then after that, send the money from your Lemfi to your recipient. So initiate a transfer. So after funding your Lemfi wallet, tap on send money with the Lemfi app. Then from there, select the recipient currency, for example, maybe Nigeria currency. Then enter the recipient bank account details, and if they are the new beneficiary, which is alternatively, you can select the previous saved recipient. Then after that, select whether you want the recipients to get the money via the bank transfer or another method available through the Lemfi. Then after that, you have to confirm and send. So review all details of the transaction to ensure everything is correct. Then once satisfied, confirm the transaction and send the money. And after that, Lemfi will show you the status of the transfer, and your recipient will receive the fund directly in their bank account. And that's how to send money from Monzo to Lemfi wallet. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.